In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Steam FPS Counter. If you've ever wondered how smoothly your games are running, an FPS counter gives you a live snapshot of performance right on screen. This is especially helpful when you're tweaking graphics settings or testing new hardware, and Steam makes it quick and unobtrusive. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. Look to the top left corner of the window and click the Steam menu. From there, choose Settings. This is where Steam's global preferences live, and it's where you'll enable the on-screen FPS readout. Inside the Settings window, glance down the left sidebar and select the In-Game tab. Everything here relates to what you see and do once a game is running, including overlay tools and performance information. Steam's frame rate display is part of this in-game overlay, so this is the place to make the change. Now, find the section labeled Show Performance Monitor. By default, this is set to off, which is why you don't see anything in your games yet. Locate the Overlay Performance Monitor option and choose where you want the counter to appear. You can place it in the top left, top right, bottom left, or bottom right corner of your screen. Pick the corner that won't clash with your game's HUD elements like minimaps, health bars, or quest trackers. For example, many games put important info in the bottom corners, so choosing a top corner often keeps the counter visible without getting in the way. Once you've selected a position, you're all set. The next time you launch a game through Steam, the FPS counter will show up in the corner you chose. It's small, lightweight, and designed to be readable without being distracting. If you're testing different settings, leave a game running and keep an eye on the number to see how changes affect performance. If you prefer a less noticeable placement, swap corners later using the same menu. That's all there is to it. You've turned on Steam's FPS counter and positioned it for the best view. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.